Spatial gives developers access to robust 3D SDKs and decades of industry experience, helping them build the next generation of engineering applications. We deliver solutions for 3D modeling, CAD data translation, high-performance visualization, and precise meshing. Our technology covers the entire 3D lifecycle, from design to simulation and manufacturing. Here's a look at Spatial's powerful portfolio of 3D SDKs and technologies. Build your app on trusted geometric modeling engines like CGM Modeler and ACIS Modeler, which support, thanks to their powerful add-ons, precise operations on both BREP and polyhedral data, feature recognition, and many more industry-focused APIs. Achieve full CAD interoperability within your app. Spatial's 3D Interop translates all major CAD formats without extra licensing fees, enabling smooth import and export of 3D data across engineering applications. Data Prep, our new 3D Interop add-on, goes further, allowing you to automatically repair, simplify, and optimize CAD data at import to streamline processes for simulation or manufacturing. Bridge CAD geometry to simulation with Spatial's powerful meshing tools. CSM CVM, our all-in-one surface and volume meshing SDK, produce precise meshes for accurate and efficient simulations. For visualization, Hoops Visualize powers advanced 3D rendering on the desktop, while Hoops Communicator allow you to build robust engineering web applications for real-time interaction and collaboration. Accelerate your app go-to-market even more with AGM, a ready-to-implement 3D application framework. AGM offers UI toolkits, core command architecture, and rendering engines for rapid deployment on desktop and web, helping you meet deadlines and speed your go-to-market. AGM is also packed with CDS, our Constraint Design Solver SDK that provides all the features necessary to build powerful robotic applications such as advanced collision detection and precise inverse kinematics. So, what's the missing piece in your workflow? And which Spatial SDKs will power your next breakthrough engineering application? Get in touch today to discover how our solutions can help you create the next generation of 3D applications.